Are you looking for a plant that loves shade? I'm not talking about the cupboard under the stairs, I'm talking about the pathway along the fence line that gets about 20 minutes of sunlight each day as the pathway aligns with the sun's direction. Maybe it's a south-facing spot that gets plenty of sunlight in the middle of summer when conditions are hot, but then receives no direct sunlight in the cooler months as the sun's position shifts behind the fence line. In no particular order, here are our top 10 shade-loving plants, which can all take the brutal full Australian sun if they need to. Amethyst Liriope. Liriopes are a great background plant. They provide dependable greenery year-round and are low fuss. Amethyst Liriope steps forward from the background with spectacular purple flower spikes, proudly standing tall above the foliage during spring. Tropic Cascade Lomandra. Lomandra hystrix is a favourite plant in the tropical and subtropical parts of Australia. This form has heavily weeping foliage that cascades down rockeries and pathways, as well as heavily scented creamy flowers that delight the senses during spring. Straight and Narrow Syzygium. A lot of people don't realise that lily pillies can be really good in the shade. It makes sense when you realise that many species come from the rainforest. Straight and narrow lily pilly is naturally resistant to one of the most common lily pilly pests, especially in the shade, psyllids, which cause those unsightly pimples on the foliage. Isabella Liriope. This liriope is shorter than the previously mentioned Amethyst Liriope and more understated. She's the perfect flowering low-mow lawn for shady spots. Dense Fence Viburnum. This hedge or shrubby tree was bred for maximum density in full sun. But in the shade, it might not be quite as dense. That's actually a good thing because you can better appreciate its natural, beautiful branching structure, while still getting good screening for in the shade. Belles Lomandra. Another Lomandra hystrix variety, this time bred to have erect foliage that's less weeping. Masses of fragrant flowers appear in September to November, sometimes repeat flowering in autumn. Emerald Arch Dianella. This Australian native flax brings tropical vibes to cooler parts of the country. It's just as happy in the full sun as it is in the shade, as long as it doesn't get too humid. Red Dianella. Another Dianella tasmanica variety, this plant has changing foliage colours that reveal red hues at times, especially at the base, which can be more pronounced in colder climates. Lomandra. Lomandra is one of the best-selling Australian native plants ever brought to market, and for good reason. It's as tough as nails in the sunlight, but not many people realise how good it is in the shade. Cosmic White Raphiolepis. Another shrub that works in full sun or shade. Don't expect as many flowers in the shade, but this plant provides consistent greenery that you need to keep a shady spot lush, with a few flowers depending on how deep the shade is. Many of these plants look great in pots. If you're moving any of them from heavy shade into direct sunlight, they'd appreciate you staggering their exposure, to prevent them getting shocked. Start with a few hours of morning or dappled sunlight, and work your way up to full sun exposure. The word best is totally subjective. I want to know, which plant do you think is the best shade-loving plant? Tell us in the comments.